Today, I'm going to tell you how to remove starch from rice using a rice cooker. For this, I've taken 1 glass of rice. I'm going to clean this thoroughly using water. Fill water completely till the brim and ensure we wash the rice with our hands well and drain it off completely. We have to repeat the same process again under running water so that all the remaining dust particles will be removed off completely. Now, this rice is ready to be cooked. Place the rice cooker on the gas stove. We add 5.5 glasses of water for each glass of rice that we are going to cook. This is generally more water than we require to cook rice usually. The excess water will help drain the starch off from the rice. Now we completely empty the washed rice into this rice cooker and we're going to switch on the gas stove to medium flame. We allow the rice to get boiled for about half an hour. And now we check for the consistency of the rice if it is cooked. Here you see that the rice is nicely cooked. We will now try and drain the starch out of the holes that has been provided in this cooker. Now you can see there is also a lock mechanism here which will hold the cooker completely. Now I'm going to turn this cooker so that the starch from the rice is completely drained off. You can see every bit of the starch is coming out and draining very well. Now once it's all drained, the rice consistency can be checked. It's nice and cooked and ready to be served.